Just make sure the monkey doesn't get in. Yes, this is Daft Dustin saying text Dustin1 to 53305 if you want that.
Go on, you good thing. Answer the phone.
Or maybe, how would you like this?
Shania, will you answer the phone? Shania.
Yes, indeed. Just text Dustin2 to 53305. Calls only cost 30 cents. Yes, indeed. I'm Daft Dustin. I'm going mad. Would you like these?
Ring, ring. Why won't you give me a call? Call, call.
Yes, indeed. Call now. Calls only cost 30 cents. And remember, there's no monkey in this ad. This is Daft Dustin. Whoever catches that monkey, I give them $9.99.